Martina, would you like to say anything about what brought you over here today?
What's the truth about Ireland
Yes.
that you think American people need to know?
Going on to highlight this. Yes. Yeah.
How come Enoch didn't come with you?
Because it's a religious matter. It's to do with his religious belief.
I don't think transgender is a religious problem.
Well,
It is.
yes, yeah. Male and female, that's what God's created.
I think it's more like
Are you hoping to talk to the Taoiseach when he makes his way to the White House?
I've just said what I've said, and I'm going to leave it at that.
Is there any reason you won't talk to us? Because you generally have a lot to say back home. And it's interesting you've come all this way, but yes, we're giving you an opportunity to speak and you don't want to. Can I ask
That's
if
correct.
there's any reason
You're
why?
giving me you are, and I'm nothing to say.
no.
Is there any reason Enoch's not here?
Can I take the photo of the photo?